Are you struggling to lower your cholesterol despite trying everything? You're not alone. Many believe that skipping breakfast or grabbing something quick and convenient is harmless. But what if those choices are actually sabotaging your efforts? Today, we're flipping the script on breakfast and revealing 8 powerful foods that can slash your cholesterol fast. And trust me, these aren't your typical healthy foods. Stick around because what you learn today might just change your mornings and your heart health forever. In today's video, we're uncovering the best 8 breakfast foods that can dramatically lower your cholesterol. Most people think they know what's healthy, but you might be surprised by what we're about to reveal. Ready to make the switch to a healthier start to your day? Let's jump in, but I'll warn you now. Number 6 on our list is a total game changer, and you won't want to miss it. Number 1. Oatmeal. Think you need to avoid carbs to lower cholesterol? Think again. The right carbs can actually help you. Oatmeal is packed with soluble fiber, which binds with cholesterol and helps remove it from your system. Many skip this wholesome breakfast because they believe carbs are the enemy. But here's the twist. This carb is your heart's best friend. The beta-glucan in oats specifically reduces LDL cholesterol, helping to prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries. And here's a pro tip. Try adding a spoonful of flax seeds to your oatmeal to double down on its cholesterol-lowering effects. Want to know how to make your oatmeal even more powerful? Stick around. Number 2. Avocado on whole grain toast. Avocados are often mistaken for being too fatty, but did you know they're actually full of heart-healthy fats that can reduce bad cholesterol? Whole grain toast is the perfect partner here, adding fiber to the mix. If you've been avoiding fats, this breakfast will change your mind. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which not only lower LDL cholesterol, but also help increase HDL, the good cholesterol. Plus, the fiber in whole grains helps keep your blood sugar stable, making this combo a perfect start to your day. But there's a secret ingredient to add that will take this to the next level. We'll get to that in just a bit. Number 3. Berries. Most people think fruits are just a sweet treat, but berries are loaded with antioxidants and fiber that directly combat cholesterol. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're not just for dessert, they're a breakfast essential. Berries, especially blueberries, contain anthocyanins, which have been shown to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. They also help protect your arteries from damage caused by free radicals. Add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie for a tasty, heart-healthy boost. But there's one specific type of berry that stands above the rest in fighting cholesterol. Stay tuned to find out which one. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Think nuts are too high in calories to be healthy. That's where you're wrong. Almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds are all packed with nutrients that not only lower cholesterol, but also provide a satisfying crunch to your breakfast. Many avoid them, fearing weight gain, but these tiny powerhouses are your cholesterol's worst nightmare. The plant sterols in nuts block the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines, while the omega-3s in seeds help reduce inflammation. Sprinkle a handful over your cereal, mix them into yogurt, or just enjoy a small handful on their own. What if I told you there's a way to make them even more effective? Let's keep going. If you're finding these cholesterol-lowering tips helpful so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content to keep you healthy and informed. Number 5. Green tea. Not a breakfast food. Think again. Green tea is rich in catechins that lower cholesterol levels. Many of us reach for coffee first thing in the morning, but swapping it for green tea can be a simple way to boost your heart health. The catechins in green tea prevent the absorption of cholesterol in your gut, helping to reduce LDL levels and improve overall heart function. Plus, green tea is a powerful antioxidant that can protect your arteries from oxidative stress. To maximize its benefits, brew it fresh and let it steep for at least 3 minutes. The best part? There's a special way to brew it that maximizes its benefits. Don't miss out on that tip coming up. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fish for breakfast. It might sound strange, but fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. Most of us don't think of fish as a breakfast option, but adding it to your morning routine could be the key to slashing cholesterol fast. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in preventing heart disease. Try it smoked on whole grain toast or scrambled into eggs for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Plus, the vitamin D in fatty fish also supports heart health, making it a powerful addition to your breakfast. There's a delicious way to incorporate it into your breakfast that you'll love. Stick around to find out how. Number 7. Dark chocolate. Chocolate for breakfast. It's true. Dark chocolate in moderation is loaded with flavonoids that improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Most people think chocolate is a guilty pleasure, but the right kind can actually be a heart helper. The flavonoids in dark chocolate, particularly one called epicatechin, help increase nitric oxide in the blood, which relaxes and widens arteries, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa to get the most benefits, and pair it with nuts or fruit for a delicious and heart-healthy breakfast treat. We'll share the best way to add this to your morning routine without overdoing it. Know someone who could benefit from these heart-healthy breakfast tips? Share this video with them. It might be just what they need to start making healthier choices every morning. Number 8. Smoothie bowls. Smoothies are often thought of as too sugary, but when made right, they can be a cholesterol-lowering powerhouse. By blending in the right mix of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, you can create a breakfast that's both delicious and heart-healthy. The key is to focus on fiber-rich ingredients like berries, spinach, and oats, which help remove cholesterol from your body, while adding heart-healthy fats like avocado or flaxseed. This combination not only tastes great, but also keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. And here's a tip. Add a scoop of plant-based protein powder to boost its cholesterol-fighting power even more. Curious about the perfect smoothie recipe? We've got you covered. Alright, you've made it to the end of the video, and it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. We're about to reveal all those game-changing secrets I teased throughout each of the breakfast foods. Get ready to discover how to supercharge your morning routine and slash your cholesterol even faster. 1. Oatmeal. Remember how I mentioned making your oatmeal even more powerful? The secret is adding flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which not only help reduce cholesterol, but also fight inflammation and improve heart health. Just sprinkle a tablespoon on top of your oatmeal for an extra cholesterol-lowering boost. 2. Avocado on whole grain toast. To take your avocado toast to the next level, try adding a sprinkle of turmeric. This golden spice has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help further reduce cholesterol levels. Plus, it adds a unique flavor twist to your breakfast. 3. Berries. I mentioned that one type of berry stands above the rest in fighting cholesterol. It's the blueberry. Blueberries are particularly high in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to significantly lower LDL cholesterol and improve heart health. Add a handful to your breakfast to supercharge your morning. 4. Nuts and seeds. Want to make your nuts and seeds even more effective? Soak them overnight. Soaking helps break down phytic acid, making the nutrients more bioavailable and easier for your body to absorb. This means you'll get even more cholesterol-lowering benefits from every bite. 5. Green tea. To maximize the benefits of green tea, try adding a squeeze of lemon juice. The vitamin C in lemon enhances the absorption of catechins, the powerful antioxidants in green tea that lower cholesterol. Plus, it gives your tea a refreshing citrusy kick. 6. Fatty fish. Wondering how to enjoy fish for breakfast? Try smoked salmon on whole grain toast with a poached egg. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with omega-3s and protein, making it a hearty and heart-healthy way to start your day. 7. Dark chocolate. The best way to incorporate dark chocolate into your breakfast. Pair it with nuts and fruit. Create a heart-healthy trail mix by combining small pieces of dark chocolate with almonds, walnuts, and dried berries. This way, you satisfy your sweet tooth while also lowering your cholesterol. 8. Smoothie bowls. For the perfect smoothie bowl, the secret ingredient is avocado. Adding half an avocado to your smoothie makes it extra creamy while packing it with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It's the ideal way to blend flavor and nutrition into one delicious bowl. Ready to take action? Start incorporating these foods into your breakfast and see the difference they make. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your success stories. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health Flex, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a heart-healthy tip. And before you go, don't miss our next video on the top 7 artery cloggers you eat every day. Stop now. You've learned how to start your day right. Now it's time to uncover the foods that could be undoing all your hard work. Click here to watch and take the next step toward a healthier heart.